So a very good morning. And how are you doing today?
Yeah, very good morning to you. And I'm good and fit as a fiddle. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm amazing, doing good in life. And as we're meeting for the first time, I want to know a little bit about you. So please, would you like to say something about yourself?
Yes, sir, definitely. My name is Mahima Tiwari. I'm from Uttar Pradesh. And my qualification is I have completed PG and B.Ed. And my hobbies are gardening, listening music, sometimes reading in leisure time. And nowadays I have opened my YouTube channel for the purpose is improving my English language and learning. And nowadays I focus totally my English spoken, and it has been started 2 months ago to my English learning journey. That's all about me.
Okay, nice to hear from you. And that's really good, like you're learning this language because it's very important.
So nowadays, you are running your YouTube channel, and in a part of time, you doing anything other,
Study.
preparing.
Yeah, as
Okay,
I already told you, I'm in my master's MBA first year.
okay. So I think you are not interested about the government exam.
No, I'm not because I'm doing MBA. So, of course, actually, earlier it was a plan that I will be, I was thinking that I should do and I should prepare for this government examinations. But I think, there is not interest. I don't want to do this 10 to 5 job, something like that.
Okay, so do you any part-time job?
Basically, earlier I have worked with, I have done an internship, two or three, but now my complete focus is to prepare for my to do MBA. What all I can explore because MBA is a master's degree, and it's not only like I'll be just preparing for examination. I should explore what all I can. And I'm working on my communication skills because of this YouTube channel. I'm interacting with n number of learners.
Yeah. I also watched your videos in your YouTube channel. I think your YouTube channel it's completed 1 year.
Yeah, it has completed 1 year. So how long you have been watching my videos?
Because I started 2 months ago my journey, so nowadays I focus only conversation content video I watched. So I watched many video like you and other learner, other YouTuber.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's really good. So how are you feeling like? I mean, how is the learning journey going on?
Yeah, it's amazing, and I enjoying this journey because this platform totally, you every day interact with another co-learner, other stranger. It's a new for me because I am totally introvert nature and shy nature also. So before my nature is I didn't open to in front of other. So this time when I started, so I have gradually improved my nature also. So I feel comfortable to everyone to speak.
With
Yeah.
everyone? Right. Of course. And this is a platform where you can interact with as you're interacting with n number of learners. So you are, like you are becoming like extrovert. I can say ambivert. You're interacting, and when you interact with new person, sometimes like it feels in this initially it feels like there is a hesitation, lot more things going on in our mind. But gradually, as you're comfortable now, you're talking with me, so you're very comfortable. I'm not, like I can observe any problem that you're facing.
Yeah. In the initial days when I started as a video conversation, so I also feel fear, humble. So in my first video conversation with Sandhya Tiwari ma'am, so totally my video conversation is very very bad conversation in my side, but she is feel comfortable to me. So that's started my journey. Then after gradually I interact everyone every single day. So gradually I see improved with me.
Okay, that's absolutely amazing. So nowadays, what are you doing? I mean, as you said that you're working on your YouTube channel. Apart from this, you are doing any job or something?
No, apart from I'm not doing any job because as a housewife, I have much work, household works. So
Yeah,
and my children responsibility also. So
yeah.
this day, yeah. So I have no any time to do other works. But yeah, I want to work. I want to job and next year
You want to
as a
do job.
yeah, as a teaching area.
Okay, teaching, of course. It's like a very
Yeah.
comfortable job because you can handle your kids and as well as your job in future. So that's a wonderful idea. Okay. So any questions, any difficulties that you're facing while learning this language?
Actually, I watched your video, so I feel you are fluency. Your English is very fancy, and yeah, I feel fear ki how to talk with you because your English is very fluent, very fancy, very so. But I think I want to talk with you because yours some video I watched very motivation like. Your words yeah so I like that video.
It's pleasure all mine. But I want to say I don't use very, like fancy English as of now because I try to make comfortable whoever is speaking with me. And the one thing that you mentioned, of course, fancy English I don't use. I use very simple English. Sometimes I also feel like I'm using very simple. I should, speak, like any advanced level. But people are very comfortable, with this simple English because, of course, yesterday I talked with, one of ma'am. She is English trainer and Shanta ma'am. So she was telling me that don't worry about, simple language because use simple English and people are really comfortable with this. And next thing is that in India most of the people are either they are beginner or intermediate, right? So it's okay to use simple English, and I'm saying I believe I use simple English.
Actually, language is a through to share your views, opinion, anything. So, firstly, it's important that we are aware, we are knowledge to how to talk in English language, how to can share, how to can express to our ideas, view. So, it is a very important. Firstly, we have to knowledge about English spoken knowledge. So because this is the first steps to interact with any stranger anyone and where are you go so that's time you if you have knowledge this language so you can survive you can feel comfortable to interact.
Exactly. And you're addressing your message in a very, like elaborative manner. That what really matters. Very good. Like
Yeah.
you're doing very great in this language, and definitely you'll be fluent very soon. And you're speaking very like comfortable manner. So that is enough. Don't worry about this too much.
So, Priyanka, I want to ask you one question. So, I want to some fluency. I want to get some fluency in my English spoken and some problem about to vocabs and some grammatical problems. So, how to rectify my mistakes and how to improve? Please give me some tips.
Okay, so as a learner, I can suggest you what I have done, and still I'm learning every day. I have to learn. Okay, so first is vocabulary. When it comes to vocabulary, just read as much as you can. And when you start to reading is something. It's different level of like you can say peacefulness. When we read, do you read on a daily basis?
Not daily basis, yeah, but sometimes I try
Yeah.
to read. And
So try
reading
to
process is very good. It is very helpful for spoken.
read.
Yeah.
Actually, reading will help you, structure yourself, like how you're going to speak and the message you wish to deliver. So whenever you read, read, don't think like I have to complete this page or whatever. I have to complete this article, I have to complete this story. Not like this. Whenever you're reading something, just involve yourself. Okay, I have to understand the meaning, what is written here. You have to. Or whenever you encounter any new word, just write it down and search on internet. Of course, everything is available on internet. So search and then try to use in your whenever you're speaking, try to use that particular vocabulary. Okay.
Okay.
So vocabulary is done. And next is, as you said, that grammar mistakes. So grammar is something, will come naturally to you. You have to complete grammar concept uh, gradually. Don't worry, like you have to complete this grammar portion very fast. It's a time-taking process. Okay.
Okay.
So even today, like every day, I complete one or two grammar concepts, and next time I can come up with that particular words or whatever. Okay.
Yeah. It's a take a time.
It takes time. Many times, we think that we want to improve fast, but it's not like that. It is a language, and in order to become fluent, your third point is fluency. So the more you practice, the more you will learn, and that's how you become fluent. So you are doing really great conducting sessions because of this YouTube channel. So it's very good. Just continue doing like this.
Yeah. And sometimes I mistake about to and confuse also about to modals where is
Model.
using. Yeah.
So okay. Confusion, first of all, as you said, models. So models are, very like cherry on the cake, you can say. If you are speaking, if you use models, we come up with more, power in that particular message. So it's okay. And models, grammar, everything, but don't confuse yourself. Just always believe in yourself while, you are in the journey.
Yeah.
So that is what I'm trying to say. Be comfortable and be okay with your mistakes and make mistakes and learn from your mistakes.
Yeah, right. Because here is no anyone perfect.
Yeah, no one is perfect. And it's, don't go for perfection because perfection is something, it's an end goal. But when you start to enjoy this journey, that is very important.
Yeah, it's very important. Yeah, it's true.
Yeah. So any questions you have, you can ask. I'm very much okay to reply your questions.
Oh, no, question is not, but yeah, I'm so feel glad to see you because in this age you are doing everything, you handle everything. So I feel proud and motivate. I see you as a, I'm motivated to your work, everything. So yeah.
Oh, it means a lot to me. And this is my motivation actually when you say like this. So thank you so much for joining with me. It was really wonderful talking with you. And really, I get such a positive vibes from you. And you have, ambition, like you have a desire to be fluent. So just enjoy your journey. That's what I want to say.
Yeah. And if I will time give, if I will meet a time, get time, so I want to again join to you.
Most welcome. I'm very happy. I will be very happy to talk with you again. Okay.
Okay.
So have a nice day and thank you so much for catching up with me and happy learning and enjoy your learning.
Thank you. Same feeling here. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.